Hi, this is Tony Sagami. I want to talk to you today about China National Offshore Oil Corporation. It's probably better known as CNOC, and it's the largest natural gas producer in China and one of the largest energy companies in the world. Now, I'm telling you about CNOC today because its new announcement reinforces one of the basic recurring themes that we talk about here on this site. And that theme is you need to get long whatever the Chinese are buying, and China is on a relentless hunt for energy. As a matter of fact, energy consultant Wood Mackenzie says that it expects diesel and gas demand in China to rise about 8% annually, and that its appetite won't continue to peak until 2025. So we're still talking about another 15 years of growing demand. Now, last year was a record for China's oil and gas acquisitions. It's been on a buying spree. Last year it spent $24.3 billion on oil acquisitions, foreign acquisitions, and that's up from $17.1 billion in 2008. And the big news today from CNOC was that it is setting aside $150 billion, yes, billion, to buy other energy assets to boost its production. You know, even last year, CNOC raised a lot of American eyebrows when it paid $1.1 billion to Chesapeake Energy for one of its shale and gas fields in the U.S. And this $150 billion pot of spending money is going to buy more of those foreign assets and oil and gas companies. Now, I can't tell you what company CNOC is going to target, but it's a clear message that energy stocks should have a place in your portfolio. Now, I'm just not talking about oil and natural gas either. CNOC will almost certainly be buying natural and gas assets, but you can't talk about Chinese demand for energy without talking about coal. You know, 70% of China's electricity is produced by coal-fired utility plants, and China's building more coal-consuming plants every single year. So coal is the one overlooked energy gem that you should be looking at, and that's why companies like Yangzhou Energy, YZC, the ticker's YZC on the New York Stock Exchange, and Puda Coal, PUDA, ticker's PUDA, are worth your consideration. And CNOC, by the way, its stock is also traded on the New York Stock Exchange. Its ticker is CEO, and it pays about a 2% dividend. But the message is clear. Energy is hot and the asset that you need to own. Until next week, this is Tony Sagami signing off.